How dare you? How dare you? Oh, now I don't know. Ah, Tana. See my girlfriend from Flatmates. She don't eat the raw suya. Oh, sorry. The Lord is your strength. My sister Chopo, you don't know where you go see food again. No? You know, say people wait there for VIP. Once they see camera, they avoid puff. I say, oh God, why is this guy doing this? What's happening? Where camera not come up for their face, they call the ID puff after the show. Now inside motor, they go to complain, give their wife. Can you imagine the nonsense? You know that puff for succulents? I couldn't eat. Can you imagine? Stupid cameraman. Rubbish. He was just looking at me. How dare he? Ladies and gentlemen, it's good to be here. There's someone called Rose Bros Julius. Actually, I was in London when the episode started. So I don't want Rose Bros. The only thing when I get to talk, now that time when you go heaven, come back. Because say one open Christian club. I appreciate because you know the good thing about this country. If you come up with your vision and your idea, they're not the answer you. The condition of the country will help you change them. So when it starts to go, meet sponsors. I want to open a Christian club. Now, small things. I say, really? Christian club, yes. What are you going to be doing? Well, we'll be dancing to Christian music. Then, say these people, these Nigerians, they not get sense. So now, for that, the meeting, they say, oh, and what else? You have some Christian Igbo? I say, it depends on how much you're bringing. What about Christian Ashawo? Are you going to bring Christian Ashawo there? Nobody tell her before I kill the dream. Only job for this country. Say if you start Christian club, nobody can answer you. Now, small, only the club go change by itself to normal club. Now, only they're going to tell you, but we are smoking in the Lord here. Don't worry. The Lord is our strength. I'm telling you. Funny boy is selfish boy. Very selfish. Your father died since. Your mother called Lagos for the first time in a long time. She go salon, do Bob Marley, do makeup, do everything. Sit down for front. She don't go piss like 4 times. Me Lagos boy, see her. Then you tell her, say, Mama, now think about, shut up your mouth. Let her think calm. Come on. Mama, now Lagos be this, anything can happen. Lagos boys, they know they look age. Just tell her, say, you be funny, but Mama, you will see what will happen to you. If you think in a lie, play go kill us this night, you wake up a happy woman. No, let you go call for Libo. Yeah? Chibun, I've relocated to Lagos, so. Mama, where are you? Banana Island. Mama, welcome. Oh, feel free. Oh, this is Lagos, so. Now let Funnybo restrict your movement, so. Feel at home. You get some boys here, you're not old for their eye, oh. Don't worry. And normally for club, where they don't drink, everybody they young, so. Wait. Bros RMD come here with a lovely daughter. Where Bros RMD dey? He carry a go. Okay, if they go peace, they carry the girl go peace. This Bros RMD very selfish. After what you do for this industry, how dare you? How dare you? Leave your daughter, that's an infringement, come on. You think if you escort and Lagos boys, they look you. Then they look you. They go convince your daughter, say, now we they write all those scripts where your papa take blow. Now we be the sponsors, now we be the producers. RMD has helped a lot of people in this industry, especially when we talk about ladies that made it in the industry. So as a daughter don't come Nigeria for a while, make them help her too, shoot some movies, all those things, it will help her career. And I'm not going to say, bros, I already not worry, but it goes to me bottle very soon. The first time when Genevieve kissed RMD for a movie, oh! Then they shout cut. Then they say, cut your life. I die here. He climbed on like trees. RMD get level. Don't worry yourself. Just now, I don't the kiss time. Okay, are you serious? Wow. Not be my show, Sha. It not really concern me. But I don't go.
Hi, if you like this video, it's simple. Subscribe to the Funnybone Comedy channel by clicking on the red button to subscribe and the bell button beside it for notifications. And trust me, it will watch your time and energy. Funnybone says so. Laughter all the way. Stick around.